the Caregiver Connection podcast by Best Care, where we dive into new topics each week, drawing inspiration from our insightful and educational blog posts. We're committed to providing valuable information that impacts both home care clients and caregivers. Without further ado, let's jump into this week's episode. ADHD and exhaustion, providing care for children. Attention Deficit Hyperactivity Disorder, also known as ADHD, is a common developmental disorder characterized by inattention, hyperactivity, and impulsiveness. As a caregiver navigating the complexities of caring for a child with ADHD, it's essential to understand both the unique challenges and the strategies that can help children thrive. Parents and caregivers often face increased stress when managing these ADHD behaviors in their children, which can lead to frustration, burnout, and exhaustion. It's important to know how to avoid ADHD burnout among the people providing care. At Best Care, we believe in providing comprehensive, compassionate, and professional support to caregivers and families. Let's explore some effective methods for managing ADHD in children while providing home care, ensuring both the child's and the caregiver's well-being. Understanding ADHD in children. ADHD manifests through behaviors such as inattention, hyperactivity, and impulsivity. These symptoms can significantly impact a child's performance in school and their ability to manage daily tasks. The condition stems from neurological differences. It's crucial to recognize the symptoms early on. Common signs include difficulty focusing, forgetfulness, excessive talking, and an inability to stay seated or calm. The interventions for managing ADHD can include behavioral therapy, medication, and structured routines. Also, the role of caregivers in supporting children with ADHD is irreplaceable. Here are some tips for caring for children with ADHD. Providing structure and consistency is key. Here are some practical strategies you can implement while caring for children with ADHD. The first one, advocate for school accommodations. Children with ADHD are entitled to an individualized education plan, or an IEP, that accommodates their needs. Examples include extra time for tests, preferential seating, and frequent breaks. The second is a behavior management techniques. Use positive reinforcement to encourage good behavior and create a structured environment with predictable routines. This helps reduce hyperactivity and maintain focus. Tips for caring for teenagers with ADHD. As children with ADHD grow into teenagers, the challenges evolve. Here's how to help them navigate increased independence. First, reducing risky behavior. Supervise activities like driving and ensure open communication about potential risks. Gradually give your teenager more independence as they demonstrate responsibility. Secondly, supporting academic life. Continue advocating for accommodations and encourage organizational skills. Help them develop systems that work for them and involve them in conversations about their needs. How to help kids with ADHD focus. Helping kids with ADHD focus requires a combination of structured strategies and compassionate support. Establishing a consistent routine can provide the predictability they need to stay on track. Breaking tasks into smaller, manageable steps can help prevent the feeling of being overwhelmed and enhance their ability to concentrate. Visual aids like charts and planners can assist them in understanding their schedules and priorities. Incorporating frequent breaks during tasks can also be beneficial, as it allows kids to release excess energy and return to their normal activities refreshed. Employing positive reinforcement and rewards for small accomplishments can motivate them to stay engaged in their tasks. Activities incorporating movement, like using a standing desk or bouncing on a stability ball, can also help maintain their focus. Maintaining open communication to understand a child's specific needs and collaborating on strategies can significantly improve their ability to manage attention and impulses. Creating a supportive and structured environment can significantly improve their ability to focus and succeed in their daily activities. Caregiver challenges, ADHD and exhaustion. Caring for a child with ADHD can be incredibly demanding. Exhaustion and ADHD often go hand in hand. Some challenges for caregivers include managing behavioral issues, advocating for their needs at school, and dealing with unsolicited advice from others. These stressors can lead to exhaustion and burnout for caregivers. Increased parenting stress not only affects the caregiver's ability to manage ADHD, but can also create a feedback loop of frustration and conflict with the family. To cope with these challenges, adopting effective strategies and seeking support as needed is essential. Avoiding caregiver burnout. Caregivers can easily become overwhelmed by the demands of managing ADHD. To avoid burnout, it's important to establish a support network and incorporate self-care practices into your routine. Join support groups. Connecting with other caregivers can provide emotional support and practical advice. Delegate responsibilities. Share the caregiving tasks with other family members or professional respite workers to prevent fatigue. ADHD and exhaustion are closely linked, and managing your well-being is crucial to providing effective care. Getting help. Managing ADHD in children requires patience, consistency, and a deep understanding of the condition. As a caregiver to a child with ADHD, you provide a supportive and structured environment that helps children manage their symptoms effectively. At Best Care, we offer comprehensive non-medical home care services tailored to assist unpaid family caregivers and clients needing in-home care. Our support includes administrative assistance, training, and competitive benefits to ensure clients and caregivers receive the highest standard of care. If you find this podcast helpful, share this with a friend, leave a review, and don't forget to subscribe. Contact us today for expert guidance and support. Visit bestcaremn.com. Thanks for listening to the Caregiver Connection.